All right, we are working on the evens for homework 5. So as you see here, I'm going to put my X and my Y, and you know how I like to do. I draw my extra little box for K. I'm just going to erase that on the side just because I want my K to be inside that box, but we still have X and Y there. So remember, anytime we're finding the constant or K or unit rate, we are going to do 212 divided by 4 or Y divided by X. That's the way that we always solve it. So Y divided by X equals K, 212 divided by 4, and that's going to give me 53. Same thing here, 53, and always check this next one to see if it's proportional. It's also going to be 53. So we have all 53s, so yes, it is proportional. Our K is 53. What's the equation? Remember, we always write Y equals KX. Y equals something X, plug in that K, 53X. Okay, let's look at number 8, another even one. Now we have to find the constant of proportionality. That means K or unit rate. Y is sky high, X is on the side. I'm making a little chart up here. So on my X's I have 7, 14, 21, 28, and I'm going to go past the numbers and get that 35 in a second, but now I'm doing my Y's, finishing up with 210, 280, and then as you see I'm extending that 35 and that 350. All right, so X is on one side, Y is on the other. I'm extending my chart a little bit so that you can see I have K, okay? Remember, Y divided by X to find that K. So I'm going to do 70 divided by 10, and 70 divided by 7, and I'm going to get 10. And I keep doing this all the way down, and as you see, I get 10s all the way down. This lets me know that, yes, it is proportionate. But what's the constant of proportionality? K equals 10. What does this represent in real life? So I have minutes and I have jumps. So here, you can see that I'm writing it out. We're talking about vertical jumping over time. So we have Isaiah jumps 10 more times every 7 minutes. And that's what that represents in real life. So now we're writing an equation. I like to do 3 steps to this. I know my Y equals KX. That's what we always use to write an equation. Then I'm going to plug in my K, which is Y equals 10X. And then I'm going to use my J for jumps and M for minutes. As you can see, jumps was with the Y's and minutes is with the X. So now anything that's X is now an M, anything that's a J is now a Y. So instead of Y equals, it's J equals, still put in my K, 10, and then my X is now M. That's how we write that equation.